Want to think like the rich? Here are 7 powerful lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Want to think like the rich? The rich buy assets, not liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. The rich focus on assets. This builds long-term wealth. Want to think like the rich? Make your money work for you. Don't spend your life working for money. Find ways to create passive income.
Want to think like the rich? Financial education is key. It's more valuable than a high salary. A high salary can still leave you trapped. Education builds true wealth.
Number 4. Don't work only for a paycheck. Build multiple income streams.
Number 7. Start now. Time is your greatest financial advantage.
Looking into the turn Tayson Stells. If you are this Thule impression, you weaken teps.